Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a super exciting video for you. Missguided really kindly let me pick out some bits, so I'm just gonna try them all on and share them with you guys. These are like my favourite videos to film. So I'm going to jump straight in. Also, I'm going to film this video in the style that I normally film them, where I don't talk through my try on. But if you would prefer me to film future ones the same way that I filmed my Pretty Little Thing haul, where I talk you through the try on, then let me know down below and I'll do them like that in future. Or if you'd prefer me to keep them like this, then let me know as well. I'd love to know. So first off, I picked out this oversized sweatshirt. I love this. It's so comfortable. It's a sweater dress, which I really like because I think it'll go so nicely just with a pair of white trainers in the summertime. It goes so nicely with a tan, and I love this black writing. It just says whatever it takes down the sleeve. I just think it looks a bit edgy and it adds something to a really simple sweatshirt, and I just really love it. It's so comfortable. The quality's amazing, and this is £25. Next up, you know that I picked out the sequined miniskirt that goes with that blazer that I got in the last haul. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with that blazer. You guys know by my reaction in that haul, like, I'm just obsessed with it. And how beautiful is this? And as an outfit, I just think they're going to be so stunning together on a night out. I'll link both down below. It's out of their festival section. This outfit would look gorgeous at a festival. It would look gorgeous on a night out. I would wear the blazer just day to day. I mentioned this before. I just think it's the most gorgeous outfit I've ever owned. Like, I'm obsessed. I love the orangey, greeny, pinky iridescence. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love the shape of the sequins. They're just a little bit different. I love the way they move. I love the way the light catches them. Just everything about this is so dreamy, and this is £45. Not that I'm extra or anything, but you guys know how deep my love of sequins runs. So I saw this and I just had to have it again. I love the big circular disc sequins. I think they're so beautiful. I love the mint green colour. I love the cropped sleeves. Like the other sequin jacket I have, I think this is going to look so beautiful on nights out, but I would also personally wear this during the day. Like, I would have no issue with that whatsoever. Pair of shades, like, I'd be styling it up. I do love sequins, you know. They kind of remind me of my mum in the 80s. Like, she was a bit extra as well. She used to wear sequins. I think she reserved them for nights out. In fairness, don't think she went around during the day in them. But I feel like my mum kind of bred me to be extra. Like, the things she likes, I'm also into, and one thing we're into is sequins. I feel like my mum's love of sequins has died a little bit, but mine is going strong, guys. I mean, just look at this. It's so gorgeous. And if you are going to any festivals this summer, like, come on. That is just so beautiful. Or for nights out, or like literally every day, taking your dog for a walk, going to Sainsbury's, just anything. How nice would this look with a red lip? Just the contrast between mint green and red is so beautiful. This was £45 again. To balance out the extraness, I did pick up just a pair of standard grey joggers. You know, you've got to keep yourself grounded, haven't you? But these are from the petite section. They also have them in their normal sizing. These are reduced as well. They were originally £28, but they're 22 at the minute, and they're high-waisted, they're super comfy. The bottoms are cuffed, and they're just a standard item for day to day. I love the way I go from saying sequins are an everyday outfit for me to like joggers. I do go between extremes though. Sometimes I will just feel like being totally extra, and then other days I'm like, nah, my hair's in a bun, not putting any makeup on, and I've got my joggers on. There's no in between with me. But yeah, you've got to have the comfies as well, guys. So these camo trousers are something that I mentioned in my previous Missguided haul as well. I mentioned that they were out of stock in my size, so I picked out some camo joggers instead, but they had them back in my size, so I just had to pick them up. Again, these are petite, but they have them in their normal sizing. I'll link both down below, but I Love, love, love these. I think they're so beautiful. I'm really, really into camo print at the moment, and I'm actually really into cargo pants. I got my first pair of cargo pants the other week and I'm obsessed. Like, I love them, so I had to pick these out, and I love that the bottoms are cuffed as well. I think these would look so nice with a little crop top and just a pair of trainers. I'm just really, really feeling them. I think they're gorgeous. I think these look so nice with heels as well, for like a cash nighttime glam sort of look, and these were £35. Do you know when you don't realise you've done something until after you've done it? I've basically gone in on the sequins. So I picked out this denim jacket. From the front, just looks like a standard denim jacket, but no, you wait. When I turn around, I am glam AF. Look at this. Again, you could wear this for a festival. I just think it's gorgeous. I love the mermaid colour sequins. They're just beautiful. Again, they're these really big round discs, and I just love the way it catches the light. It's so iridescent. So, so beautiful. This is £60, and again, I'll wear this during the day, but you could wear this on a night time if you were going to like a bar or something. It just jazzes up a standard denim jacket, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I also really like how the denim jacket has distressed bits on as well. It's got a lot going on and it's really good quality. It's got some weight to it, and I just think it might be, and this is a bold claim because I have a good amount of denim jackets, but got a feeling this is my favourite, you know. Because I'm loving camo so much, I saw this oversized camo cropped hoodie and I just had to have it. It looks quite badass, and I really, really like a hoodie. I like that this has the camo print. I just think it looks really cool. Like, I don't know if I could get away with wearing this with the pants, or if that's a little bit much, but I think this is just lush and it's so comfortable. It's such nice quality. This is £25 and it's just the perfect comfy cozy hoodie for day to day, but also you'll look badass while being comfy. I mean, is there a better combo? I think not. Next up, you're either gonna love these or you're gonna hate them. I love them, but I showed them to my mum and she was like, Kate, what are you wearing? But look at them, look at them, look at them. They're basically platform trainers. They kind of have a Nike Air Force One vibe about them, but like meets Spice Girls circa 1998. I have never owned a pair of platform trainers before, but I think these look so, so cool. I'm really, really into them. These are £28 as well, which I think is a good price for trainers. Obviously they're not branded, so they're cheaper than normal trainers, but they are good quality, you know. They don't have like padding and stuff inside, I will say that, but around the ankle area is padded and they're comfy enough. I think £28 is a good price for these. They also have them in black, and I like the little silver detail around here as well. I just really, really like these. I think they'll go so nicely with this sweater dress that I've got on. So like I said before, I would love it if you would leave me a comment down below and let me know how you'd like me to film these hauls in future. Would you like me to stick to this format, or would you like me to talk through the try-ons? Let me know. Also let me know what your favourite item from this haul was. I think mine was basically all of the sequined items. I am obsessed. Thank you so much to Missguided for letting me pick out all these gorgeous bits, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!